tired, Puppy. Excuse me. Eva?
Yasha, no.
It's okay. I threw mine first.
Come with me, Tanya. I have a surefire cure for hiccups.
And I'll put our little businessman to bed.
Feifel, where is your sister?
Hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yup. Mama said she hiccuped all night.
Indeed. Well, then, Lorna, would you read today's poem?
Yes, sir. Mary had a little... sorry.
Lamb. Its fleece was as snow. And everywhere that went, I'm sorry.